Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo with PayPal. We'll walk through the entire process, making it simple and straightforward for you. Zengo is a secure crypto wallet that allows you to easily connect your PayPal account for purchases. This method offers a convenient way to enter the world of cryptocurrency, ensuring your transactions are both safe and efficient. Let's get started on your journey to owning Bitcoin. First, open your Zengo application and tap on the Buy option. You will then select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Next, choose PayPal as your payment method. Zengo will securely redirect you to PayPal to authorize the connection. This ensures a safe link between your accounts, protecting your financial information throughout the process. It's a quick and secure setup. Once your PayPal account is linked, you can proceed with your purchase. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to acquire, either in fiat currency or Bitcoin units. Carefully review all transaction details, including the exchange rate and any associated fees. After confirming everything looks correct, finalize your purchase within the Zengo app. Your PayPal account will then be debited for the specified amount. After completing your purchase, you will receive immediate confirmation, and your Bitcoin will appear in your Zengo wallet. Zengo prioritizes security, utilizing advanced features like three-factor authentication and MPC cryptography to protect your assets. Always ensure you have enabled all available security measures, such as two-factor authentication, for maximum protection. Enjoy your new Bitcoin, knowing it's held securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.